Hey guys, what's up? It's Joe here with a very different video than I usually make. I kind of felt like doing this though. This is something I do probably every other day now. Sometimes every day, it depends how much time I have. Just before bed, it's about bedtime right now, I check my devices from school. I'm at school right now. This is my desk here. A lot more boring compared to what I got at home. My setup that basically looks the same as it did a year ago from that setup video I did. And yeah, this room is fairly boring too compared to my money room, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, I just want to like do a video of my remote access, kind of what I do before I go to bed some nights, just to get on my devices or check on all my devices. So I'll switch to my computer now. I just wanted to show this so that way you could see, like, you know, me here and stuff. But yeah, I'll switch. So anyway, before I go to bed, I usually just go down here. I open up VNC Viewer. I have a whole remote access tutorial for you guys on the channel. You guys probably already know this. I did a series about a year ago. And one of the things I talked about was actually setting up a VPN on your router, and here is my VPN right here. So first I have to connect to this. Obviously I'm on the school Wi-Fi right now, but I have to connect to this VPN in order to access my devices, because I used to go through my main money-making computer to go to my devices, as you remember, but now I go just directly to the device. So I use this VPN. This VPN kind of makes it look like I'm on my home network, and then I can connect using all the internal IP addresses here. See, number 2 right here has got 192.168.1.2. This is an internal IP address on my home network, but I'm connected to the VPN, although I'm at school, so it's kind of like I'm on my home network. If you want any information about that or you still don't get it, check out that whole remote access series. I did a very thorough series on how you can set this up for your devices. Just, you know, from Mac to Android, Android to Mac, Windows to iPhone, just all the different directions. I'll leave a link below as well as in the cards. One thing I actually have to do, one of the reasons I don't like going through to my main computer is it's currently down right now, believe it or not. I can't access it. This past weekend I was trying to install, what do I want to say? I was trying to go to Mac OS High Sierra. I have a Hackintosh, and it was on Mac OS OS X El Capitan. And I just finally decided to bite the bullet and get up to High Sierra. You guys saw I got a 1 terabyte SSD for an internal hard drive because I ran out on a 256 SSD. So I decided, okay, let's go ahead and just bite the bullet and upgrade too while we're at it. So that's what I'm trying to do. So I just have to transfer all this stuff I was editing over to the main computer when it finally gets fixed. But anyway, yeah, so yeah, I have all my devices here, just all my entries. These right here are other money-making computers. I don't have them named real well. I never knew what to name them. They start at 2. Anything you see starting at 2 is actually a money-making computer. And 1s are phones. I had all this in my organization tutorial. So anyway, I connected a device. What device do I want to connect to show you guys? I'll connect to 88 because 88 is actually using Cache Magnet right now. And basically, I want to talk about this app. I've been trying to fiddle with it for a while, but I can never get it to work that well to get consistent numbers. But yeah, I check stuff. I don't check everything, obviously. A lot of passive stuff. So I just check things like, okay, number 1 is the phone I usually use to redeem the perk. So I'll check it to see what's up, and then I can redeem if there's points. If there's not, well, you know, there's no points. Yeah, so this is the Cache Magnet phone. And yeah, basically what I do with Cache Magnet right now is I just reset it. I'm trying to get it to earn right now. It actually did pretty well today on this device. I have it a few devices right now. And it doesn't work as well on the newer devices, I noticed. But the older devices, it seems to be working better for. So I'll just, you know, reset certain phones that need reset. And yeah, that's basically it. So this is from school right now. So I just want to show you guys that. That's it for this video. I'll be back with another video this Monday, so I'll see you guys then.
Thank you for watching this video meant to help you make more money with smartphones and computers. The link above me is a link to my website with the Getting Started series and a cache archive section where you can sort through hundreds of smartphone apps that make you money. Any more specific questions can be directed to me at my contact page or on any of the communities listed this way.